Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to hard reset REALME phone via recovery mode. So first we need to turn our phone off. So click the power on button and the volume up button and then swipe to power off. Now when the phone is completely powered off, click and hold the power on button and volume down button simultaneously. Till you see the REALME icon. Now wait a couple of seconds, because the recovery mode is turning on. Okay, and now we need to change the language. I gave you a little more brightness right here. With the volume buttons we go up and down, and the power on button is select. So English, and right here you have the format data option, the first one. It will wipe all the data from the phone. Remember that all your Google accounts, your photos, videos, apps, music, everything will be wiped out. And you should only use this when you forgot the pattern or PIN to your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.